up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are about to do a quick weave, have a path down. Last time I did this was for my 22nd birthday. Homecoming is coming up. It's this Saturday, and I gotta do my hair, child. What you're gonna need to do this style, you're gonna need some shears, you're gonna need a comb, part brush, maybe some clips, some caps, some bundles. I went to the hair store and just got some curly bundles. Got 3 bundles of 30-inch 1B wet and curly blossom bloom hair. I'm gonna take another pack so y'all can see what it look like. This is what the hair looks like. I'm gonna start off by sectioning off my front and my back. The front is gonna be up in the ponytail. I don't want a back pony, I want a up here pony. Let's section it off ear to ear. I don't know how I used to do sew-ins, child, cause yeah, nah. Let me triple check it. Get it out the way. I don't think I'm gonna actually flat iron the top of my hair. I think that's a little unnecessary as you're trying to get it just super stupid sleek. It's curly hair. So you have straight hair, you want to straighten your natural hair, but I'm not doing that, child. It has that. So in the back, I'm gonna do 4 cornrows. I'm just gonna split it down the middle and then split each side down the middle into 2. Can you see the vision? I don't know if I left out too much hair, but it'll be okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna take 2 of these black caps. I'm gonna take both of them. They're still connected. I don't like this part, the lines, to be on the outside, so I'm just gonna flip it inside out. I'm gonna take my braids and I'm gonna crisscross them over in the back and bring them up like this. Don't make it bulky, just try to keep it flat is really the whole point of it. I'm gonna put it over my ponytail part up there at the top to hold it. And it's flat. But I'm gonna take my even spray black can. You can use you can use the liquid cap. It's up to you. This is just the easiest for me, to be honest. And I'm just gonna spray it on my hair. Cover the whole cap. Don't be stingy. Cover the whole cap. And once this one dries, if you want to do another one, you can. But if you're not stingy with this one, and you let it dry completely, you'll be fine, TBH. What you're doing right now is just creating a protective barrier between your hair and the glue that's going to be on the tracks that you're going to glue into your hair. This is very important if you do not want to have glue on your hair. Let me say it again. This is very important if you do not want to have glue on your hair. Be thorough with this part. Take your time with this part. Take your time when you're doing your hair, period, but I digress. So now I'm gonna go use my blow dryer and get it dry, and I'll be done. Once it starts getting pretty dry is when I take my hair glue and put it around the perimeter. This is not easy to film, I can't lie to you. It doesn't really feel hard enough, so I'm gonna do another layer of this spray. And we're back. This is what we're looking like. She's a bald babe. So now I'm just gonna take my first bundle. We'll just open the track all the way up. What you're gonna wanna do is take a piece of the track and measure. Some people don't like to measure for some reason. I don't know, child, but that's none of my business. And that's just not how I get out. Everything I do is calculated. And the trick is to have your tracks laying in a U shape. The curve of your head is a U. That's kind of how you want all your tracks to lay until you get to the top. I'm gonna cut my track. I'm gonna take the glue and put it on the weft, aka the little band at the top that's holding all the hair together. That's what's a weft, guys, if you don't know. Just slap some glue on there. It ain't gotta be perfect now, but you might want to make sure you have enough, because them tracks will slip and slide on you. Let me be the first to tell you. So just take it. And I kind of like to start wherever, like that. Be careful. And be careful. And this is my first track. I like to make sure you press it down. I'm not sure if I'm gonna post the other Quickweave video that I made, because I just feel like it wasn't good enough. Like, and you know how sometimes people be like, oh, even if it's not that good, you're just your hardest critic, blah, blah, blah. Okay, well, I'm gonna be my hardest critic, babe. I'm not finna just put out whatever to the world, like, especially not if it got my name on the bookie. Like, get somebody else to do it. Please and thank ya. And because of the Quickweave, like, I really don't care what the back look like. As long as the hair looks good, just gonna put the tracks on the dang old cap, child. I could really care less. Please be careful, guys. Do not get it on the ponytail. One side is already laying how I need it to lay. I need to get this side other correct. But you see how it's kind of like fluffing over? That's exactly what you want. And if you get hair glue on your hands, literally, it rubs off. So, sweet. What this side has that this side doesn't is I'm curving it more. So I'm gonna make sure to curve this side up some more. And I'm not gonna keep curving this side up as much until I get the other side even. There. Just like that. And I kind of use my finger to see where the tracks are so I'm not leaving too much space, because that's never a good thing either. Make sure you're really pressing them in. I like to blow dry after I have all the hair on. I know some people who like to blow dry as they do the tracks. It's up to you. I do it this way because it actually saves me a lot of time. I'm talking about a lot of time. But if you feel like your track slipping and sliding, baby, get you that cool air with that blow dryer. Don't waste no time. I'm gonna keep this little piece for the end. Let's see what she's looking like right now. It is pretty cute. This is how much I got left. I can't really see. We gotta get up here. I feel cute already. I'm kind of just feeling around at this point, I can't lie. This is just a friendly reminder that if you're sick and you have a hair appointment, please cancel or reschedule. That's all I'm gonna say about that. As service providers, we already have to squeeze ourselves in and do different things to try to make sure that we take care of ourselves while we are always taking care of other people, right? So think of how inconsiderate it is that you think it is just so important that you need to get your hair done, that you come and get your hair done while you're sick. So now I can't do nobody hair. Now I can't make no money. Cancel or reschedule. It's just so inconsiderate. There's no way you think you and your hair are that important. I'm not saying that you're not that important. I'm not saying that your hair is not that important. I'm not saying that. But more important than my health, boy, oh boy, do I got some news for you. It is really just so selfish. This piece from earlier, I'm sure it'll fit. Yeah, that's perfect. And after I stick this piece on, guys, I'm gonna just go in my bathroom where my blow dryer is and put some cool air on the tracks, in between the tracks, just to make sure they're really stuck on before I move on to the ponytail. That's the back, y'all. I'm back. We're blow dry and here we are. I think it's real cute. Let me show y'all. I'm not gonna do any super extra like fluffing right now because I do need it to last until Saturday, like I said. And I feel like if I do any extra fluffing right now, then it's probably gonna get matted. Not what I'm going for. I'm gonna cut off this cap. Now for the top. So I would usually like to use a regular scrunchy elastic band, but since I don't have any, I'm going to use one of the rubber bands that came with the bundle. I really wanted to use Erica J on my ponytail up here, but I literally can't find it for anything in the world. And before I crash out, I'll just use a different product. So the product that I'm going to use instead, the Got to Be Glue in the black package. I don't know the last time I used this product because I've been using Erica J for so long now. I'm just going to do my edges. I just did a little swoopage. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the hairspray now all over. Slicker back. Just popped it. I'm gonna take all of my hair like this and just smooth it. Just spray a little all over. I'm kind of like making sure you pull in different directions to try to get it as tight as you can. I might have to cut that out later, but that's okay. So now I'm just gonna braid up my hair, get and wrap it around the base of my ponytail here, like a piece. Then I'm gonna take a wax strip, put it exactly where my finger is, and wrap it around like this. And then for the end piece that's still sticking out, you're just gonna take a little bit of hair glue and put it on there. Like that. Try not to get it on your real hair on the ponytail part. And bow. Just gonna take the rest of the bundle from earlier. I'll put it on here because I think that's the less messy way. Big part, like on the front half, and then you just wrap around. And once I feel like I have enough hair, I'm gonna wrap it around to the back, how I've been doing it. And then I'm gonna cut my track and put a dot of glue right here. And that's where I'm gonna end it. Cut it at the end only, because if you get it on your hair, that's on you, Bookie. Now that the pony is done, I just like to take a piece of hair from the very back. And I'm gonna take her all the way around, the same way I was just wrapping the weft. Okay, that's done. Gonna take a tiny piece of glue again back here on the hair to secure it. I'm gonna take my hairspray again and just spray it so that it's extra secure. So I'm just gonna put a little hairspray right here in this area also, just because I don't want my hair looking like it look crazy, you know what I'm saying? So just to make it smooth, I'm just gonna take it now and kind of rake it through so that it can actually go where I need it to go. They're like cute. So this is the final look. Nothing crazy, super cutesy, very classy. Let me show you guys from the back. It's cute. But go to sleep. What I'm gonna do is literally put on the scarf. Of course, they said to twist it up, so I'll probably do like two big twists up here and then two big twists in the back. Put my bonnet on it, call it a night. But I'm just gonna let my hair set for a little bit before I do all that. Very pretty, very big. Handling our inner SZA, Megan Thee Stallion, Diana Ross. I feel really cute. I feel really girly. I'm Hoko ready. That's all, y'all. So thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see any other hairstyles, please just let me know. Wig install coming soon, couple of them actually. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because more videos are on the way. Y'all know how I get down. Thank y'all for always supporting me as always. Bye.